Okay guys, I already do my brows off camera already along with my foundation and one eye. So I'm just going to go straight into the other one to show how I get this look. I'm using my drugstore palette, iyata.k New York. It has 32 shades and I'm going to use a orange reddish color. This one I'm going to use for my first shade. Just going to apply that all over my lid. I'm also going to use my fluffy brush to blend any harsh lines at the edge of the eyeshadow. And I'm going to use this orange, this yellow shade. This yellow shade. Like it's summertime, I'm going for a bright color. So I'm just going to put that on the center and drag everything out. And I'm also going to use the same, where do I put it? The same fluffy brush. Just going to blend the inner part so that everything can blend very well. So after, I'm not going to create any wing line. So I'm just going to use my Kylie Jenner black eyeliner pencil to create a small thin line on my top waterline. Just like that. And for moving along, I'll be going back to the eyes. So like I already have on my foundation already, if you want to know which foundation what I use, it will be in the description box below. So for my concealer, I'm going to use iyata.k New York. It's in medium, dark to medium. So I'm just going to use this. I like to use my finger to apply that, so I'm just going to use a good amount, and I'm just going to put that under my eye here, just a bit. Look around my nose. there, little here, and a little there. So I'm just going to use my damp beauty blender. I'm just going to use the flat part here to blend everything right into my skin. For my highlights, I'm going to use my benign banana powder, and I'm just going to do a little bake. Just going to do a little bake under my hair. And I'm just going to use, if you guys hear that I'm using iyata.k, it's not sponsor. It's just one of my favorite drugstore cosmetics, so you will see that I use it often. So I'm just going to use the pressed powder to warm up, just a light contour, nothing too heavy. Here, here. To go back to my eyes, I'm going to use my city color. It's two pencil in when you have the eye and the lip. So I'm just going to use this blue shade here. I don't think it has a name. No, it don't. It just have a number, which is 254, and I'm just going to put that under my waterline. To give it more pop, I'm just going to go back into my same palettes. I'm just going to use this purple shade to give it more defined, because I'm not feeling it, so I'm just going to put that in the inner ear. Okay, hope you guys can see it. Okay, to sweep that off, now I'm going to use my fluffy flawless brush to sweep everything off the face. I'm going to warm up with my face powder. So I'm just going to warm up my face. Okay. For my lips. So like I'm going to put on my lashes last. For my lips, I'm going to use another City Color Girls. I'm going to use this brown color to line my lips. Just going to shade that in a little. Just shade that in. And I'm going to put on my lashes and get back to you guys. Okay guys, this is a final look. I just applied some false lashes and a little lip gloss on my lips. So yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed this look. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. I hope you guys enjoy this look. See you guys soon in my next video.